person who pitches me in a roller coaster at Disney World is my daughter.
फुल लटक रहा है अनुपम भाई सुनो अनुपम भाई आपकी कब
मैंने कहा किसके बगल में बैठ गए यार, ये मतलब हिल रहे हैं ऐसे वो कह रहे हैं।
चल रहा है अनुपम भाई
सर 5 मिनट सुन लो 5।
ये क्या कर रहे हैं
यार मैं रोलर कोस्टर की acting-
रोलर कोस्टर की आप
मैंने कहा-
आप मत करो एक्टिंग
मैंने कहा आप बुरे
मत करो आप बहुत
वही तो
कर आप क्या कर रहे हो यार
बैड एक्टर्स।
मैं आपके साथ नहीं बैठ रहा पैनल पे आप ये सब करोगे
Aman can be like this, like not interested, and suddenly be like one random line the person says and will suddenly be like, तुझे मैं दिख रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं तेरे को डील दे रहा हूँ। अनुपम subtly करता है, and Aman openly करता है by saying I like you.
डिपेंड्स on the guy or the girl no
If they're charming or not.
Yeah.
sorry controversial तो नहीं हो जाएगा
Who's most likely to throw another shark under the bus just to close a deal?
she
You just threw her under the bus right now.
she did that to Anupam
Just to close
in
a deal,
paradise
go under the bus.
she did that to Anupam in
This
paradise
happened last week. Him. He threw me under the bus.
it's the only real reality TV show in the country
Do you rap?
I can't tell
I think you should try it.
Do you dance?
Yeah. You
Okay,
wanna dance?
why he'll rap, you dance.
चलो
Good question. Because you don't have an answer.
पास
You can't. No, there is no option to pass. By the way,
हम कुछ भी पास कर सकते हैं
Pass back to you.
पास पास तू बोल
there is no one there.
विनीता अरे कहाँ गई
मैं तो मेरी वाइफ को ही बस
How sweet.
फंड करता रहूँ. That's what I.
he did it only to hear how sweet
You win in the turns, right?
Yeah.
I believe if you're good you'll win anyways
Sure. That's your answer for everything.
no I don't believe in data so much I believe in data you know data भगवान
Yes, yes.
I can't give much away, but this season, season 5, there is a founder who is not what he seems to be. And it was sort of
shark sorry founder
some sharks.
अच्छा sorry
How soon can the market expect a listing?
It could be a couple of quarters, it could be 6 quarters. It's hard to say.
You stepped down as the CMO 29 days before the filing. What made you think that was the right time for such a transition?
and I've never answered this before
Guys, what do you think about a rapid fire?
start from a rapid fire straight up
Would you rather
उससे बोला क्वेश्चन तो मैं पूछ ही रही हूँ तुम्हें जो बोलना है बोलो
If you start with a rapid fire, I'll keep thinking about I should have said this, I should have said that. The rest of your interview will be real.
No, but I thought you're known for not thinking too much and you just act. No?
She's getting me warmed up. Woo! Let's go.
Would you rather miss a unicorn or back a bad deal?
I would rather miss back a bad deal
Why?
because it has a chance of becoming a unicorn.
Fair.
I would rather back a bad deal, yeah.
Aman?
same यार what else
A startup pitch you secretly wish you had said yes to.
Oh God.
Oh, so
Oh
many.
God. Swiggy.
Really? I thought we were about Shark Tank.
No, I thought. Are we talking
I
about
went
Shark?
Shark Tank.
Ah,
Sure, Swiggy. Okay, but on the
oh,
tank.
Lenskart.
Lenskart.
On the tank.
He came to pitch. Remember?
We did say
but that
yes.
was a fake pitch
We did an investment also in that. You forgot about that.
I would say that there was one pitch called Spandan which was
Pandan to की था हमने.
मैं नहीं था उसमें उस दिन मैं था नहीं so I should have been there at the panel at that time
Vinita?
Pulmonas last season.
Since you asked about Shark Tank deals, I changed my response. It's the only deal that's got an exit. The airport retailers. क्या नाम है उनका?
Oh, Rare Planet.
Rare Planet. I wish I had done Rare Planet.
Are founders overvaluing networking over building?
I think networking is highly overvalued, whoever it is.
yeah they're doing a lot
Are you a fan of it?
No.
So you don't go for these big networking
Very anti
events?
networking. Yeah.
A lot of founders say that, you know.
Network.
Yeah.
Network. So yeah, networking, major waste of time unless you're in B2B sales. And then LinkedIn is the other major waste of time.
Networking.
What?
network.
Time LinkedIn.
Huh? Networking. See, when you're in early stages of building, आप यार build कर रहे हो कि LinkedIn 24 hours a day is not enough. So major waste. What is networking? मेरे को तो आज तक समझ में नहीं आया. You know?
Yeah, networking is not working.
Aman, what do you think?
yeah यही कि founders suddenly become ऐसा लगता है कि वो अब धंधा बाद में बनाते हैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी पहले बनाने लगते हैं
I hate this word founder branding.
Personal brand.
Personal brand.
why it's good
I think
you yourself or all of us are no
See, my view is different, right? You do something that creates your brand. You don't start with, I will create my brand, therefore I will do this, which is a little different.
It's the tail wagging the dog.
Debatable.
Great way to put it. Hustle, overrated, essential. Pick one.
Essential.
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 Very essential in the
Hustle
early
se
days.
hi hasil hai.
So, what are your thoughts on the work-life balance? Where do you all stand?
We know what he
Yeah,
likes.
you know what my view is, so why don't you go first?
Founders ke liye there's no work-life balance. It's very hard. Although I try hard.
Imbalance.
Imbalance.
You decide. मतलब कभी-कभी when you have work, then you do too much work. When you know that's happened to my life, right? When I was starting board, तो मैं खाली board पे focus कर रहा था. My personal life actually I was at the back end and खाली धंधे पे ध्यान लगाया हुआ था. उससे पहले जब मेरी लव लाइफ चल रही थी तो मेरा वर्क सफ़र कर रहा था और I was obsessed with Priya and only love life was happening. So it depends on person at that person at that time and that phase of life. You have to work hard, and if people who work hard get good appraisals in our company, they do well. But we have to believe in work-life balance for sure.
Okay. So, you're a pro work-life balance. Yes. Oh, we've not come to you just
No.
yet. One more.
Don't use my word for
Yeah.
for
So
a
I'm very clear about
Controversy.
this. I don't think you can achieve anything extraordinary with ordinary effort. So if work-life balance implies that you will put in ordinary effort, but expect extraordinary results, you're fooling yourself.
So, what gets funded today that should not?
मेरे को ये लगता है कि which should not get funded is Me Too companies.
Why is that?
Because you know there is this VC world which actually runs on भेड़ चाल कि एक को फंडिंग मिल रही है तो उस इंडस्ट्री में आसपास जितने कॉम्पिटिटर्स होते हैं उन सबको फंडिंग मिल जाती है बिकॉज दे मस्ट हैव मिस्ड द कंपनी which probably has gone to some other VCs.
I think there are a lot of companies that are only relevant for the top 1% of India, which is your Bombay, Delhi, people with like the household income above 40-50 lakhs. So I think very premium businesses targeting top 1% of India, they're good, profitable businesses, but they shouldn't be invested as much as they're getting invested because they won't scale.
I think, yeah, there's a lot of companies I'm seeing, and we've seen it on Shark Tank India season 5. हमने fund नहीं किया उनको, but this very typical profile of people who get funded, pedigreed IIT, maybe IIM,
ISB.
with a thesis that maybe
And surname Bansal.
Quite specific.
you said that
Yeah.
because of the Bansals that came before. But thesis होती है उनकी. It's a very stereotype founder with a stereotype business plan that gets funded by this stereotype VC. And I think those are completely a waste of capital that should be going to more deserving non-pedigreed founders. No,
ये तेरी बात तो नहीं कर रहा है IIT IIM नहीं?
No, this applies to generally IIT, IIM, also alpha men.
जो आए थे अभी हमने 2-4 आए थे.
Because women at the end of the day hardly get any capital.
ठीक है.
A Shark Tank pitch that annoyed you the most.
Annoyed.
Oh God.
There are too many. I think last season, I'll say there was one company that had actually gone to the extent of faking their Shopify sales. Their videos are viral but had 0 comments. So then we started digging and they said that we don't boost them. Then their Shopify sales wasn't adding up with what they were talking about, their product market fit. Then we saw their dashboard actually for the first time in Shark Tank history. We were allowed to look at their dashboard and we realized that there were these 2 days in the month where they suddenly had 2 crore of sales. Rest of the month was 3 lakhs a day. So it was obviously there was some manipulation happening there.
Annoying.
Annoying था रे.
It's called you annoying. He said, Aman,
Aman or not?
annoying. Yeah. Yeah. Was
That
it
was my answer.
I would say a lot of them. There was this guy who was last season who had come in वो shoes करके कोई I don't know Reto the
Oh,
Last to last.
last to last.
God, yeah.
Founder was annoying because he was doing all drama and less substance. So yeah, that was one annoying.
Well, this actually I can't give much away, but this season, season 5, there is a founder who is not what he seems to be, and it was
Founder
sort
या
of
shark? Sorry, founder.
some sharks.
अच्छा sorry. I wanted to check. I thought maybe
They
it
come
was
and
a-
go every year.
Yeah.
But
इसको चाहिए मसाला मिल गया. Note.
some things are forever. some sharks suffer. But this one founder who's not what he seems, and it kind of was going in a certain direction because all his numbers were fantastic. His engagement was also real. Social media numbers were real. And it was going in a certain direction. And we figured out that he was doing some stuff that was really unethical. I don't want to give it away right now, but
Watch it and
That-
we'll ask you
that
next
was-
time.
yeah.
Next time you come and interview us, we'll ask which pitch are we
What
talking
if I
about.
come with a pitch next time?
oh, there you go. You
not
know,
bad.
you're welcome.
Okay.
You have the lessons now.
And you know what not to do, what to do. Who to choose.
Is Shark Tank more about the product or personality?
Personality.
Personality.
Great companies get built in bull markets or bear markets.
Bear markets.
All of you are very quick with that.
Mostly bear market. Great companies.
मुझे लगता है कहीं भी बन जाती है अगर अच्छी कंपनी है तो बोलो बेरो फर्क नहीं पड़ता
You win in the turns.
right
Yeah.
I believe if you are good you'll win anyways
Sure. That's your answer for everything.
no
You can keep changing the question. The answer still applies.
I am trying. If you had to start over today, which sector would you invest in first?
जो 3-4 सेक्टर बताए थे हमने तुझे बता दे
I'm very long on Indian consumption. So any consumer brands.
yeah health and wellness AI
I thought you were anti-AI. Few minutes ago, weren't you talking trash about AI?
Winning can happen in any environment.
yeah if I'm making money on AI why not I would invest in AI
Aman can win in any space, in any environment.
yeah I can not bad
I like
that?
the space of space. I think next year is going to be transformational for Indian space tech.
Best and worst advice you have given a founder on the show?
इसको बंद कर दे.
Is best.
it's
or
good or
worst?
bad
Best and worst.
Oh.
Exact ulta advice देते हैं. I think one thing we very often do is that if somebody is doing too many things, we say कि you don't have focus. And if somebody is doing one thing, we say that इसमें scale नहीं है. You'll have to
Small
do more
market.
things. Small market. तो हम like back to back pitches में भी उल्टी advice देते हैं. So because it all depends on the context.
हम लोग फाउंडर को कभी कभी बेस्ड ऑन आवर ओन परसेप्शन समटाइम्स वी डोंट गिव द फाउंडर द right time to explain himself and we come with sometimes preconceived notions about an industry which sometimes is bad for the founder क्योंकि क्या हुआ था ना जैसे अभी मैं आपको एग्जांपल सेम लेके देता हूँ जब ये फिजिक्स वाला हो रहा था तो सबने सब उसको एडटेक इंडस्ट्री खराब है तो तू भी खराब होगा सो बट यू सी हाउ फिजिक्स वाला इज नाउ आईपीओ राइट सेम वे समटाइम्स वी से दैट यार पहले तो ये कभी इंडस्ट्री चली नहीं तू भी खराब हो जाएगा एंड समटाइम्स यू नो that guy might have something which might be different from the industry and he might do well.
Sugar thrives in a market where trends keep coming and going. How do you keep up with it, and how do you know what trends to pick and what to stay far from?
The industry thrives on new trends, and which is why it's really, really, really important to stay as close to the consumer. I spend a lot of time in the market speaking to consumers, and so does my team. And I think the trends that we try to stay away from are the FOMO-driven trends, because beauty is a category where everything is cyclical. Beauty, fashion में सब cyclical होता है. Like skinny jeans है, next year, you know, wider jeans than skinny jeans. It all comes back. Similarly, beauty में matte glossy, red, nudes. It just keeps coming up. I think what is important for us to remember is how do we stay true to the brand. The brand stands for women who are bold and free, and it's the most inclusive brand for Indian consumers. So as long as the trend fits that theme, we're in on it. If it doesn't, then we try to like just breathe and let the trend pass and then just hang in there.
Anupam, when you launched Shaadi.com, it was at a time when India was not really ready for matchmaking digitally,
Correct.
due to a lot of reasons. One of them being low internet trust, the other being marriage was something very private. So, how did you take that risk, and what made you bet big on tech, and how did you know that it won't backfire?
I didn't. I was a fool. That's why I did it. And the funny thing about businesses and startups that become successful is somebody did something very foolish. Because if you think with a practical mind, most companies don't have any chance of winning. Once you get into that experience zone, this is why it will work, this is... See, understand, in early 2000s, there was no internet in India. there were 10 million users, and that stayed until 2010. How foolish does a person have to be to launch an internet company in India at that point, right? So honestly, it was naivete that made me launch the company. It was not analysis. And one thing led to another, and you keep seeing some signs of success. The NRI market, because they had internet connectivity. So the first rule for an internet business is somebody should be able to connect with you. So the NRI market had internet connectivity, and so it took off there. Usse thoda courage mila. We launched India's first mobile gaming company called Moj Mobile, way before people had mobile internet connectivity. Another foolish decision. We launched Makaan.com. So we launched one of India's largest digital ad agency called Interactive Avenues, which is still the largest. So I think a lot of decisions were not made with any grand analytical plan. They were made with a vision of creating a large consumer tech company out of India. How? I had no idea. We just kind of learned and went on and learned and went on, and that's now one can fit the vision retroactively. And I think most companies, that's what happens with founders. वो कहते हैं कि अरे मेरा ये प्लान था, घंटा कुछ ये सब नहीं होता है, कुछ बन जाता है, उसके बाद पीपल उसको रेट्रोफिट कर देते हैं. So that's the real story.
And as sharks, do you all think there is this playbook for a perfect pitch?
नहीं यार, actually I don't believe that. I know VCs love to see a certain thing, certain way. But to me, there is only one line that I need to understand. And it can be told in any different way. But what I need to understand is this is what I'm building for so and so. And this is what it will change and why it matters. Right? If I get answers to these questions, most times I can make a decision.
Aman, what do you think? Is there a perfect playbook by rule for a perfect pitch on Shark Tank that mostly works?
Yeah, I think I defer to him there. I think perfect pitch बहुत easy है करने और उससे बहुत sharks को easy हो जाएगा. If you are a founder who's true to himself, true to the consumers, true to the investors, you understand that he's not lying, you understand the problem is big, he's being true to what he's saying, and अपने आप से सच बोल रहा है, हमसे सच बोल रहा है, तो normally he gets an offer on Shark Tank, right? So I feel that perfect pitch हो सकती है. अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँ, अगर आप किसी को बोलो pitch करने से, आप बोल रहे हो तो आपको करना है, तो मैं आपको एक simple example देता हूँ. आप आओ, आप आके अपनी स्टोरी बताओ और आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, और आप बताओ कि आप पैसे कैसे कमाओगे, कंज्यूमर आपके प्रोडक्ट्स क्यों खरीदेंगे, और आप हमारे पैसे कैसे बनाओगे. ऑफर कंफर्म.
Basically what I said.
No.
Except I said it shouldn't have to be in one format.
Basically no.
No, there is
I'm
no
not that guy.
perfect.
I'm not that guy.
There is no perfect pitch. There are good pitches. Perfection lies in the imperfections. If you notice, we will always like imperfect founders. जिसमें कुछ होता है, right? We don't want those smooth, really can answer every question, bam, bam, bam.
और बेचारा कोई नहीं करता तो आप बोलते हो शार्क टैंक नहीं देखा, तूने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया.
अलग होती है. Authenticity और perfection में difference होता है. I'll agree on authenticity.
Anupam, as a shark today, you often challenge founders when it comes to execution and clarity. What about your journey back when you started? If this version of you were to go back and judge that journey, what would you say no to?
अब आई ना मजा, अब आया मजा. Now you put me on the spot. Depends on when I go back to, but I would be a very big critic of my journey. One, because of how long it took. Two, because of all the issues we had. I would yell, and because it's myself, I'd probably give myself a whack or two. Though maybe that is sort of my way of shaking up founders. That is where it comes from. That, मैंने बहुत गलतियां करके सीखा है. तुमको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because today you are born in a hyper connected world where you have the ability to find mentors and coaches and connect with anyone. And you have so much information available कि क्यों आप गलतियां कर रहे हो. When I was doing it, I had no mentors. I didn't have any information. I had to learn by doing, falling, picking up myself again, falling, picking myself up again, and so it cost me a lot.
Shadi.com could have gone public years ago. What was your thought process behind maintaining that control and long-term brand value? And do you think a lot of brands just rush to go to that route these days?
Yeah, I think, no, I already told you, right? If I could go back in time, I would have flogged myself to run a little faster and not make the mistakes I did. So we lost a little time. Having said that, I think every personality is different. Some people are late starters, and once they consolidate, they just take off. So I'm more excited now for the next 10 years in terms of the value creation for people interactive of which Shadi.com is a part. Then I am, obviously, in hindsight, about the last 10 years. The compounding that will happen from here on, I feel, is going to be magical. So I think everybody is different. Some people start with a bang and fizzle out quickly. I feel I'm a compounding machine. And so the best is yet to come.
Aman, what are your thoughts?
अच्छा है मतलब it's good that people are going for IPO early. It's a good sign because पहले time होता था that used to take a lot of years for going to IPO. I think I don't know the data which I'm sure he will know, but पहले ना 10-15 साल फिर 10 साल आजकल 6-7 साल 5 साल में भी IPO हो रहा है. So it's good no बीच में VCs को पैसा बनाने के बजाय the entrepreneurs will make money, the public will make money. It's not just the VC ecosystem which will make money. If you've seen lately कई companies आई हैं जो बहुत बड़े वैल्यूएशन पे IPO करती हैं बट बीच में पैसा फिर पब्लिक के सिवाय VCs ने बनाया होता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज राइट फॉर देम बट फॉर मी आई फील करंटली इट्स एन आउटस्टैंडिंग टाइम दैट पीपल शुड गो फॉर IPO. एनी स्टार्टअप नाउ इज नॉट ड्रीमिंग VC राउंड और प्रॉब्ली लुकिंग एट IPO. यार मेरे को 4 साल में IPO करना है. दैट इज नाउ अ न्यू dream which people are having, and I'm so happy that people are dreaming that they are feeling कि IPO जल्दी हो सकता है, and that means the company can be more structured, better compliant, better sustainable, profitable. So I think people are ready for.
And I think, I didn't answer your question fully last time. I think the other part of that is sharing the wealth. अगर आप देखोगे, look at the history of startups in India, and by the time companies go public, the founders have less than 10%, single digits, even 3-4%. If the markets become deep and open and wide, which is what's happening with India's IPO market, and by the way, it is not being funded by foreign investors, it's all domestic capital. The domestic capital में जब depth और width आता है, then that wealth creation can be shared with the public. You can go public sooner, therefore the founder has more skin in the game, therefore they will be more committed to the companies because they'll own 30-40%, and therefore they'll make it a bigger outcome, which the average citizen, average person in our country will benefit from, as opposed to the Ps and the VCs who take that money and distribute it back to their LPs overseas. So the Indian money stays in India and gets distributed amongst our Janta, which is a big thing.
Getting back to just that, Shadi.com is also in talks for an IPO based on certain reports. So
Based on Pinkwilla intelligence.
No, Bloomberg reports. How far have those discussions reached, and how soon can the market expect a listing?
I think, for somebody who's just going through the journey, it's very, he knows this better, it's very hard to put a timeline on these things, when we'll go public and so on. But here are 2-3 things that I can share. We are the largest in the category. B, we are very profitable. 3, we are a big 5 audited company, so our books are all in shape. So to a large extent, our governance structures, everything is pretty much in place. When will the actual trigger happen? It could be a couple of quarters, it could be 6 quarters. It's hard to say, right? Because it depends on so many variables.
So, but in the near future, you think?
Yeah, near future is right. It'll take. It depends so much on the markets, right? So I'd say max would be 3 years.
Why the wait, you think?
Because I don't have full control over it. No, it depends on the market. So I can be ready in 6 months, but after that, if markets get choppy or something happens, then I have to sit tight, and it doesn't matter to us because we're very profitable. So it's not that I need the capital.
Aman, what about you? What part of your journey while building boat, would you now go and look at be like, no, this is not going to work for me?
Hindsight, yeah, the last few years, I was telling in another interview, it was getting into the watches category. We did some things wrong, but that's all hindsight, right? Because it didn't work out the way we thought it would. But I've actually enjoyed every part of my journey, and I would go back and probably do the same things again if given a chance. I would like to start again, build again, and it's a fun part to be building things, and that's what I love doing. But hindsight में तो बहुत गलतियाँ करी है, सबने ही करी है लाइफ में. क्या पता हम इंटरव्यू करते हुए भी गलती करते हुए कुछ बोल दे, right? But which we will realize probably later. But that's life. I don't believe in data so much. I believe in data. You know data? भगवान.
Yes.
So yeah, I believe in data more than data. So I'm more of an instant guy and less of a planning guy, more of a on-the-go guy rather than research.
Isn't that
That's
close to your tagline?
What's that? Do what floats your boat.
On the go, do what floats your boat.
Yeah,
Same
it
vibe.
is. It is. Yeah.
Now I see where that comes from.
Right.
Aman, boat has grown from a challenger brand into a category leader in such a competitive space. What has been boat's standout moves and why did it work?
If you look at our industry also, there were people who were only selling on price, and all those guys eventually have not done too well. So we sell on aspiration also, not just price. And I think that is good, and we keep moving with the times. You know, whether it's marketing, whether it's products, whether it's tech. If we don't move as per the changing times, we'll also die. I keep telling people that, you know, a BlackBerry or a Nokia died because they did not move with the time. So we keep moving. We keep, you know, I'm very paranoid about competition. I'm very passionate about what I do, and that keeps us on our toes.
To talk a little bit about the IPO, you stepped down as the CMO 29 days before the filing. What made you think that was the right time for such a transition?
See, it was not a decision which was made today. If you see, we were professionalizing the company 3 years back. We had that we brought in an external CEO to run the company, and even now, I think Gaurav is now the CEO. He's been in 2 years in making. We brought him in as a COO, and now he's the CEO. And I think it's high time that a professionally run management takes over, and that's why that's our belief, and that's my belief that that a company now can be run much better by professionals than just by me, and that's the decision I took. That actually hota bhi kya hai na, that I'm a very strong founder, right? When the strong founder is still in the works, in the system, then the employees feel that there are many bosses in the company. I want Gaurav to run the company as if there is only one boss, that's him. He still reports onto the board. The board, I'm still a board member. I still own, Samir and I still own more than 40% shares in the company. So we are still, you know, large shareholders. But that's my personal belief that I can take a company from here to here, and now we need professionals to take it forward. And that's what I did. And to answer your question again, why did I do it before? And I've never answered this before. I'm answering it first. If imagine a situation if I had done it after the IPO, what would that be? Would that be fair to the retail investors who had invested the money, looking at the fact that Aman Gupta is running the company and suddenly after IPO he steps down? That's not fair. That's not me. I would rather do it before the IPO so that people who are investing their hard-earned money should do that based on what is the reality going forward. And that's what I've done. That's my view, and that's what I'll do.
Yeah. I think a lot
Are you
of
okay?
people
Are you?
didn't know this.
आप convince हो गए या मैं और बोलूं?
Very convinced. Guys, how well do you all know each other?
Okay.
Okay.
It was a question.
Oh, right.
अच्छा, हमें लगा मैं पीछे ही.
How well do you know each other?
How well? Very well.
We can complete each other's. We can complete each other's sentences.
I can pretend to be Anupam or Aman any day.
She's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very scary also.
Who's most likely to change their mind mid-pitch?
Aman.
Yeah, I do.
Anupam is still thinking.
Huh? Oh, you're asking me. I thought you were.
all of you all. It's
Oh, right.
Aman can be like this, like not interested, and suddenly be like one random line the person says, and will suddenly be like, तुझे में मैं दिख रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं तेरे को डील दे रहा हूँ. एंड सडनली वी आर लाइक ये सो रहा था, ये उठ के
मैं वेट कर रहा था तुम लोग
चेक भी दे दिया.
क्या होता है ना, जब ये लोग सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, सेम क्वेश्चन होते हैं हमारे मोस्टली, तो मैं बोलता हूँ तुम लोग काम कर लो, मैं आके सीधे
I don't think so actually. I think your assessment is wrong. मेरे को लगता है वो first 10 सेकंड में डिसाइड कर लेता है, then he just waits. That's my view.
No.
I think most sharks, मैं तो मतलब 4-5 बार मेरा माइंड चेंज होता है during a pitch. First I'm like wow, then I'm like wow.
Okay.
Then end में जो depending on where I am, I make an offer.
Who's most likely to invest in a pitch just because the founder seemed charming?
Depends on the guy or the girl, no?
If they're charming or not?
Yeah.
Sorry, controversial तो नहीं हो जाएगा?
If they
The
अनुपम subtly करता है and अमन openly करता है by saying I like you, here's the check. Like थोड़ा तो
कब किया यार?
So that's a difference between Bombay and Delhi. That's all.
Oh,
यार मैं तो मेरी वाइफ को ही बस
how sweet.
फंड करता रहूं. That's what I.
He did it only to hear how sweet. ना?
ये सबसे first person who will not believe this is your wife.
Who's most likely to bet on a crazy idea?
I think all of us.
Crazy idea.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I'm the least lucky.
She's very.
Yeah, I'm very
Very
conservative.
analytical and very practical.
Yeah, so bit
I like out of the world ideas.
maybe
जितना crazy, I like out of the world ideas.
The crazier the better.
The better.
Yeah.
Okay.
उसी तो मजा आता है, वरना run of the mill तो हर कोई कर लेगा, right?
Okay. Who's most likely to swoop in and steal a deal at the last minute?
ये he can't go to sleep if he doesn't win every.
I'm in it to win it. I play to win.
मतलब
That's me. Otherwise I don't win. I don't even put my hanky बोलते हैं ना, रुमाल डालता हूँ मैं किसी डील में तो मुझे चाहिए.
Anupam will use some math, logic, multiple. Sometimes he goes crazy and does it for the ego. But this guy will do it for the ego 90% of the time. Saying that jeel to मैं ही जीतूंगा.
Who's most likely to throw another shark under the bus just to close a deal?
She.
You just threw her under the bus right now.
She did that to Anupam.
Just to close
in
it,
paradise.
go under the bus.
She did that to Anupam in
This happened
paradise.
last week. He threw me under the bus.
She did that to him in paradise. She.
No, that's him.
Not me.
So
I'm
y'all are all pointing at each other.
He did it last week.
A few moments later.
What is the biggest myth about being a shark? What people think?
Good question, because you don't have an answer.
Yeah. Pass.
You can't. No, there is no option to pass. By the way,
Back
हम कुछ भी पास कर सकते हैं.
pass back to you.
पास. हाँ तू बोल.
there is no one there.
विनीता. अरे कहाँ गई?
I think the biggest myth that still goes around is that scripted है.
Do people still think that?
कुछ तो लोग कहते हैं कहीं ना कहीं कोई बोल ही देता है.
लोगों का काम है कहना.
हाँ.
I thought you were going to say that. You were going to, but then
But I give you a chance. It's your show.
appreciate.
लोगों का काम है कहना. हाँ. तो कुछ ना कुछ लोग डाल देते हैं किधर भी टांग चलते चलते कि भाई ये तो स्क्रिप्टेड है and you already know the pictures. Impossible that you don't know. But नहीं है यार, we don't know. होता तो हम ऐसे थोड़ी एक्टिंग कर पाते हैं. We are not. You can tell we are not good actors. We are sharks. तो we know यार, मतलब इतना ड्रामा होता है ना to hide the pitch from us. Before we come on the tank, पर्दा वर्दा लगाया होता है जहाँ पर वो pitch का setup खड़ा होता है ना. They put a whole fake wall behind it and then the picture comes in. और वो पिक्चर को अंदर गुफा में रखते हैं. I'm not joking. आप बैक स्टेज जाके देखोगे ना, dark alleys that are made and the pictures are rehearsing back in the beyond and there's a security cordon where sharks cannot even step in there. So it is that level of discipline.
और मेरे को एक और लगता है कि लोगों को लगता है कि जितना वो देखते हैं 10 मिनट में हम ऐसे पैसे बांटते रहते हैं कि करोड़ रुपए तू ले जा, 2 करोड़ तू ले जा. ऐसा नहीं है. हमें 1 घंटा लगता है पिच में. ये भी एक मिथ है कि 15 मिनट में हम अपने पैसे ऐसे बांट रहे हैं. हमें 1-1.5 घंटा भी लगता है कई पिचेस में, और उसके बाद ड्यू डिलिजेंस होता है. सो इट्स अ फुल प्रोसेस. इट्स नॉट दैट कि हम 15 मिनट में. तो उससे क्या हो गया ना, हम लोगों को आते जाते लोग मिल जाते हैं कहीं पे और बोलते हैं सर 10 मिनट है, पिच दे रहा हूँ और पैसे दे देना. चुप गए. 10 मिनट में कोई पैसे
Has
नहीं
that
Check ले लो.
happened? Like you walk and then
तो
one
बहुत
guy's like,
होता है.
आप shark हो, like
बहुत.
can I
हाँ
बहुत.
हाँ बहुत होता
Have you
एयरपोर्ट्स
done a
पे
deal?
होता है.
Have you guys have-
डन अ डील नहीं यार, तो पागल हो.
नहीं नहीं
डन अ डील वो तो पगलापन हो जाएगा. मेरे को तो
इतने
शार्क
भी पागल नहीं है.
मेरे को तो डिज्नी वर्ल्ड में यहाँ पर पेरिस में I got pitched. Person who pitches you in a roller coaster at Disney World is my daughter.
फुल लटक
वो smart.
फुल लटक रहा है अनुपम भाई सुनो अनुपम भाई आपकी को
मैंने कहा किसके बगल में बैठ गए यार, ये मतलब हिल रहे हैं ऐसे, वो
चल
कह
रहा
रहे
है वो चल रहा है अनुपम भाई
सर
भाई
5 मिनट सुन लो, 5
ये क्या कर रहे हैं
यार मैं रोलर कोस्टर की acting-
रोलर कोस्टर की
मैंने
आप
कहा-
आप मत करो एक्टिंग
मैंने कहा मैं पूरे
मत करो आप बहुत
वही तो
गलती कर आप क्या कर रहे हो यार
bad actors.
मैं आपके साथ नहीं बैठ रहा पैनल पे आप ये सब करोगे तो
तो इतने बुरे एक्टर हैं हम, देखो यहाँ भी मजाक उड़ रहा है. तो ऑब्वियसली वी डोंट नो द पिचेस, वी डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, एंड सो दैट इज अ बिग मिथ. यू नो द रियलिटी इज रियलिटी टीवी.
It's the only real reality TV show in the country.
Do you rap?
I can tell
I
you.
think you should try it.
Do you dance?
Yeah. You
Okay,
wanna dance?
why, he'll rap, you dance.
चलो
Let's do it.
Can you put this as an ad on shadi.com?
What, him?
The
And you?
dancing.
Yeah, no.
Oh, what? Why?
I don't know. You asked me, so I asked you back.
No, like
Yeah.
Catholic matrimony.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm Catholic.
Diya Catholic? How? Diya Diwali, you just said.
My parents said that.
Achha, Diya what?
Epan.
Epan. Oh, you are Kerala?
Yeah. I'm not Kerala. I'm
You are from Kerala? You're tripping Epan.
is that a joke?
Yeah, like you're tripping Epan.
क्या
But I like that.
क्या
I will-
मतलब
I will-
क्या है भाई साहब
Tripping as in trip.
Tripping,
as in
tripping Epan.
You're too Gen Z. You're far more Gen Z than I am.
Yeah, totally. You are millennial,
He was
no?
the no. I am Gen Z.
I am
Tripping Epan, man.
Oh.
I only taught him